Hey everyone, welcome back for another Tuesday Tech Tip. This week I'm actually going to be showing you an extension, and I think a lot of you could probably use this one. It is a great one, especially if you have any sort of research in your class or you're having kids going off and exploring and discovering their own learning. So this is called Insert Learning. This is what the website looks like. You actually don't even really need to come to the website. It is, like I said, it is an extension. So if you go to the Google Chrome store and you install the extension, this is what it looks like right over here. So if I go to any website, let's say that I'm on National Geographic for Kids, I have an article that I would like to share with kids, and this works, like I said, on any website. I can click on Insert Learning. It opens up my little side tab right over here on the side. And now I can kind of scroll down here and I can do different things to this website. So for example, I could highlight the text. I could insert a sticky note. I could insert a question or a discussion starter as well. So let me show you what that looks like. So if I insert a question and I highlight over top of just a piece of the text on this website, I can go ahead and I can insert a question. So I can say, what do you already know about the American bullfrog? Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create that. And notice how it inserts it directly inside of here. So as you can see, what's going to happen here is I can put all of these discussion prompts, I can put different things on this actual website, share it with students, and they would see everything that I placed on there for them. And the only ones who could see that are the kids who I shared that with, okay? So let me scroll down, I'll just show you something else here. So I will go ahead and I'm going to insert a discussion question, and I wanna insert it based on this paragraph right here. And then I can go ahead, I could type in a question there, and the kids would be able to see that, okay? You can do that on any part of the actual website itself. So actually this time I think I'll do another question, and I do want to show you another piece of this. There are question stems that are already created there for you. So if I click on that, there are a bunch of ideas that you could put in there. So identify the main idea of the text, or paraphrase the previous sentence. So there's some things that are already in there, or you can put in your own questions as well. So totally up to you, whatever you decide to do there. Notice that there's also a point value here. So if you are assigning this as some sort of like quiz or assessment, you could do that as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to randomly select something here and we'll create that. Now to share this with students, here's what I would do. So I can go over to my little side panel and I would click assign. A new box pops up. Now notice that there's a couple of things in here. I can share this with my already created Google Classroom class, right? So you do need to make sure that you have that set up, and then I can automatically share this page. It's going to take that link and it's going to share it into Google Classroom with the kids that I have assigned in there. So I will go ahead and click on my class, and notice there's a couple of options down here. I can assign it in there, but I can also snag the link if I want to as well. So if you just want to grab the link, I have the link to this now. I can open up a new page. Let's just say that this is, on the student end now. They would share in that link, and I would enter that, and it would take the kids to the article that I wanted to share with them. But notice that those boxes are popping up here. So those questions and comments and those things that I placed on this page, the kids would now be able to see those, okay? Notice that I'm on the teacher end still, so it says view all responses. So once the students start putting things in there, I could do view all responses, and I would be able to see everything that the students have responded with here, okay? So again, you can use this. This is an extension. You can install that in the Google Chrome store. Insert Learning is the name of that extension. You need it on yours, the kids need it on their devices as well. And if you really want the full functionality of this, I would highly, highly suggest that you also have a Google Classroom created. If you have questions about that, definitely let me know and I can help you out. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I hope this is something that's useful for you in your classroom, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks so much.